So this is where we're gonna mix our concrete. We're gonna mix a 5,000 PSI concrete. We have 100% control over the mix because we're in a climate-controlled environment.
So if you guys are 5,000 PSI, what is it typically on a job site poured on site?
Sure, typically on a job site, you're gonna see anywhere from 25 to 3,500 PSI. And the reason for that is they can't control the conditions. You may have 5 or 6 trucks out there, you're sitting, you're waiting to pour, you're adding water and things like that. Just doesn't have the control.
What does the 5,000 get us?
5,000 allows us to guarantee these walls to be watertight.
Nice.
So we're pouring the concrete right now. What we have is we have a 1 3/4 inch face shell, and then we have a full depth stud cavity. So we actually have 9.5 inches of solid concrete at each stud.
But that skin is just going to be your 1 3/4, so that's not a lot of concrete. I mean, how much does that compare to a traditional pour?
We're going to use about 1/3 of the concrete as a traditional poured wall.
Wow, that is remarkable. And so you can see the depth of the stud there. So that whole thing gets filled up with concrete. And then this right here is just your 1 3/4.
That's exactly right. And of course, the header and the footer is full depth concrete, and the load will transfer through the stud into the soil.
All right.
So this wall has been poured. It's sat overnight. We've stripped it, and it is ready to be hooked up and loaded onto a trailer.
Well, your oil work, that thing just slipped right out of there. No problem at all.
It's coming out the way it's supposed to.
All right. And that's weighing in at about, what do you think?
That particular panel is probably 3,500 to 4,000 pounds.
Yep.
And we'll get it on the trailer and send the walls up to Jamestown.
Awesome. Love to see it. Thank you, Doug.
I'll see you there.